The country mouse and the city mouse. Would you trade peace for luxury? Two little mice own from the quiet country, the other from the bustling city, discover that the best life isn't always the fanciest one. A city mouse invites his cousin, a country mouse, to taste the good life. Together they nibble sweet sugar, prunes, and cheese, but they're constantly dodging dangers like cooks, cats, and traps. In the end, the country mouse realizes that simple food and peace is better than a feast in fear and heads home for good. Moral value. It's better to live simply and safely than to enjoy luxury with constant fear. Match the word to its meaning. Words. Uno. Nibble. 2. Trap. 3. Comfort. Fear. Frightened. Options. A device used to catch animals. B. Feeling scared or afraid. C. A state of ease and peace. D. To eat small bites. True. False quizzes. 1. The country mouse invited the city mouse to visit the countryside. 2. The city mouse showed the country mouse sweet treats like sugar and prunes. 3. The country mouse enjoyed the city because it was quiet and safe. 4. The mice were chased by a cat during their visit to the kitchen. 5. The country mouse preferred a peaceful life over fancy food. Let's discuss. 1. Do you think the country mouse made the right decision to leave the city? Why or why not? 2. Would you rather live a simple life in peace or a luxurious life with danger? Explain your choice.